Tonight, on National Geographic Channel, our host Robert Nicodem is gonna study the wild nature of the Wankers and try to communicate with them. Will he survive the hunt? You will find out tonight and premiere only on National Geographic Channel. Robert Nicodem is leaving his house. He knows as he goes ahead, he has no point of turning back, and he knows the expedition might get him killed. But even with that in mind, he still continues. The Wankers are in their natural habitat. The Wankers can be very aggressive at times, and that's the reason why it's almost impossible to make contact with them. As the Wankers leave their natural habitat in searching of food, Robert Nicodem and his cameraman get spotted. And one of the Wankers even attacks them, but he runs away to the group. After waiting one day for the group of Wankers to calm down, Robert Nicodem decides it's time to go after them. But before they try and make any contact with them, Robert Nicodem will try and gather information from one of the locals.
Natinonal geographic channel aici cu gata voastră Robert.
Nu așa mă cheamă.
Mie Roll.
Nu așa mă cheamă.
Nicodem.
Nu așa mă cheamă. Nu le extind aproape de unde, dar nu cred că ne vede. E prea prost să realizezi că suntem aici. Am zăpadă în păpuși.
As they approach the group of Wankers, one of them starts attacking them.
Uitați, masculul alfa, nume Alex Gărghi. Se apropie unul de teritoriul nostru. De unde știe numele? Atacă, bun!
Ok, dacă crezi că
After 1 week of hiding, Robert Nicodem meets with the group of Wankers, and he tries to make contact with them. Robert Nicodem manages to socialize with the Wankers, and then he shows them his thick stick. Robert Nicodem was accomplished. Robert Nicodem managed to communicate with the Wankers and not get mugged by the gypsies again. And he can finally rest.